Hello everyone, good evening. We're here again today for another set of unboxing. And we're currently at Hungry Tiger Grill and Restaurant. We are having this baby back ribs. Let me show it to you. Yummy, right? And we are going to unbox this thingy here. It's a carrying case mini for DJI Osmo Pocket, and this is from PGYTech. Alright. And as what I mentioned earlier, we are going to unbox a carrying case mini from PGYTech. This is actually a case intended for a DJI Osmo Pocket, which I'm going to show you now. Here is a DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay. So if you will notice, this is the casing of the Osmo Pocket, and we are going to unbox this carrying case mini to try it out and see if it fits this thing. Well, apparently it fits it, but we are going to take a look at it further. Okay, this was ordered from Lazada, Lazada PH, and this just arrived today. Okay, so if you will take a look at it. Okay, so here is a box. PGYTech.com, that's the website. Again, this is the carrying case mini. Okay, so it's for some reason it's already like this one, so it's easy for us to unseal this. Okay, I'm going to open it now. Oops, it's quite difficult to open, or to totally remove it from the box. Alright, let's take a look onto it. Let's move this here, and so it's already, or it's still in plastic. Okay, the case is apparently still in plastic. It has a tag, carrying case mini. I'm going to remove the plastic now. Okay, there we go. And let's take a look. Okay, it's actually quite sturdy for me. It's a bit bulky though, and it has this tag. Okay, so again, this was designed by PGYTech, and the website, as you see there. Okay, they also have their Facebook page, of course, and YouTube and other social media. Okay, so this tag contains the structure display. Okay, so this is the box itself. Okay, here is the handle. It has this, I don't know if you can remove this, but perhaps, or not. I guess not. But we can move it like this. Anyhow, let's try to open this. Here's a zip. Let's see. Okay, so we have this, an activated carbon, and another, I don't know, this is like a tag or sticker. I think it's a sticker. And it also has this I think this is a divider. Let's check the tag, because it says in here, so I'm guessing this is a divider or some sort. Let's try and check it out. So let's just say I'm going to use the long one. So this is the part that you can stick to the walls of the box. Like this. Okay. Perhaps this thing will do. Here is a pocket with the casing, and here is a tripod. Sorry, but it won't fit. So unfortunately, we cannot put this here. Perhaps we could do it like this, but no, it won't fit. So we could actually put in this again. You can put it back. Okay, so again, there's some lightning C and USB adapter. You can actually put it here. It has a compartment, so you can just insert it like this. And it also has this. Oh, amazing. Oh, okay. So if you have like cables, perhaps you can actually use this and this compartments. It also has this, so you can either put this one here, or you can also insert it here. Oh, it has quite compartments. I mean, it has a lot of compartments anyway, so I think this would be good enough. The good thing is this box can handle the Osmo Pocket, which is typically it's a sign for its usage, and also some of the cables that you are going to put into. Okay, it will pretty much help, because the casing, the original one of the Osmo Pocket is quite, let's say, open or vulnerable at some point. So if you're really keen into protecting your gadgets, you could actually try this one. It's sturdy. See? A bit bulky, yes. Not that much, but I think it serves its purpose. Okay? You can just simply remove this. So here's a picture. Okay. You can actually try these two designs. If you will notice, this one has the long one in it, the divider, or I don't know how you term it for, but yes, you can also arrange it in such a way that it will look like this. Okay. If you wish to know more about this item, you can actually check out the description on the page below this video. Okay, and you can also click on the link to check it out in Lazada. Okay, so this is again the PGYTech casing. Let me show you again the box. Here, the Carrying Case Mini. Let me put it back here. Oh, it does not have any more items in it. So this is the box, and this is the case. Okay. Well, that's it for tonight then, and have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye bye.